Hey adventurers! Today, we're diving into one of the coolest frontiers in technology, quantum computing. Ever wondered how computers might one day solve problems millions of times faster than today's machines? Let's break down the magic behind quantum computing. Most computers you use today work with bits, ones and zeros, but quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 1 and 0 at the same time, thanks to a quantum trick called superposition. It's like being in two places at once. These quantum principles allow quantum computers to handle complex problems way faster than traditional computers. From cracking encryption codes and discovering new drugs to solving really tough optimization puzzles, the potential is enormous. Young innovators are experimenting with quantum algorithms and learning how these concepts could change the world of technology. It's inspiring to see how quantum ideas are sparking new ways of thinking in classrooms everywhere. So, whether you're fascinated by cutting-edge physics or dreaming up the next tech breakthrough, quantum computing is a gateway to the future. Stay curious, adventurers, and let's keep exploring the amazing world of tech together.